Hello everyone out there, thrilled you're here. On this episode, we have this number 6000 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 6000, then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left, dividing 6000 by 2, which equals 3000. So 6000 divided by 2 equals 3000. Dividing 3000 by 2, which equals 1500. So 3000 divided by 2 equals 1500. Dividing 1500 by 2, which equals 750. So 1500 divided by 2 equals 750. Dividing 750 by 2, which equals 375. So 750 divided by 2 equals 375. Dividing 375 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 375 by 3, which equals 125. So 375 divided by 3 equals 125. Dividing 125 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 125 by 5, which equals 25. So 125 divided by 5 equals 25. Dividing 25 by 5, which equals 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Dividing 5 by 5, which equals 1. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 6000 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5, which can be written as 2 to the power 4 times 3 times 5 to the power 3. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your feedback.